Hello and welcome, children. Now we are at the last stanza of the poem, that is the fourth stanza. So let's start with the fourth stanza of the poem, The Road Not Taken. Here the poet says, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere, ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Now, the most important thing is, children, that he says that he will be telling it with a sigh. Okay, what is sigh? Sigh is a kind of emotion. So, here we as a reader, we can depict it in two manners. That sigh can be also for his happiness, or sigh can also be his sadness for choosing that road. But we don't know. But we should think that it must be something positive. That is, he is happy with his decision, and he says that the way he has taken his decision, he will be mentioning this somewhere ages and ages hence. Means he is saying that the decision which I took, I think that this decision I am going to share with everyone, even after many years of this incidents which has taken place in his life. And then he says that again he is mentioning that decision, that two roads diverged in a wood. He is saying diverged in a wood means, children, the decision which he has taken. Okay, that is that two options were there in his life, as I told you. Like for example, you are having your you have taken the decision to come in this vidyalaya. So that was where you had got two options, either to stay in the previous school or to come in this school. So you took the decision to come in this school, isn't it? Maybe it was difficult, I will say, because here you have to stay with your friends, you have to leave your you have left your old friends, you have left your family, you are staying alone. But what is the consequence of decision? I think that you must be very happy with this decision, no? You must be very happy that you are in Navodaya, so you are benefited extra over here. So, of course, children, sometimes the decisions are hard, but those decisions they pay off in long term. After some years or many years, we realize that the things which we decided, it were for our betterment. So in the similar manner, he says that I am going to discuss this maybe after many years, and I will tell about that how I took the decision. Okay, and he will tell about the road which was less traveled, means the road which was full of challenges, the life which was full of many hurdles. He took that. Okay, and due to that, what happened? If you take the challenges in life, children, what happens? You become very expert in that. You become very skillful in that. Like it is a very common saying that the ship sails in the storm. Only that pilot who sails that ship, he gets the skill. And if there is no storm in the sea, so a pilot can never get any skill in the life. In the similar manner, children, if we take challenges in life, then only we learn that how these challenges are going to make you a better person. Okay, so he says that all that made the difference, how this difference has come in his life, by taking this decision that he is going to travel the less traveled road. He is going to take challenges in his life, and he says that I am going to mention it with a sigh. Means always there will be some nostalgia in that. The past is always there. He, whenever he will tell his story of success, he is going to mention the past, that he has taken the road which was full of challenges. He has taken the decision which very less people in life takes, and that has brought so many difference in his life that has made him an extraordinary person. So children, from here we learn, you learn, what do you learn? You learn that you should always be ready to take challenges in life, and if you take challenges, then only you will be a winner. People will appreciate you in your future. People will look forward to you if you take challenges in life. So let's see that what is the meaning of these things. Children, once again I am mentioning that the difference is the word difference is taken in positive way. Take it in a positive way, that the people who take challenges in life, they become extraordinary people. They are being idealized by others. So here we can say, once again, you check out here, that the difference which we make, like the kind of sigh, and this is called the difference which he is making through the challenges which he has taken in his life, and he is going to always going to be appreciated by people that he is talking about. So here we are here with the fourth stanza, and let's come to the rhyming scheme, children. Rhyming scheme, once again we'll take the last word sigh, hence, I, by, and difference. Okay, so here what we find, that sigh is going to rhyme with I and by, so they will take A, and difference is going to rhyme with hence, so they will take number B. So the rhyming scheme for fourth stanza is, children, A B A A E A A B, just like the previous stanzas. Now we'll come to the tone and mood of the poem. The tone used and the mood created is reflective and nostalgic. Now what is reflective and nostalgic? That we have to understand, children. Reflective and nostalgic means, children, referring to your past. Okay, so he is referring to his past, and nostalgic also means referring to past and to be emotional. So he is emotional, he is thinking about the decision, and he talks about the decision which he has taken in life. Next point, the poet is reflecting on the decision he had to make, and is nostalgic for the path he was unable to take, related to having to make decisions, and looking back on the consequences of those decisions. So once again, the meaning of nostalgic I am giving you, that is longing for familiar things, usually from the past. Now, why the less traveled? Why he took the road less traveled? The poet makes it clear that the path was more attractive to him and won his approval because it was less worn by other travelers. The lack of other travelers make it more appealing to him. That is what I discussed, children, earlier, that less traveled means it is giving him the challenge, and he is a person who loves to take the challenge. He is an adventurous person, so that's why he has taken the decision to take the decision of those things which are very rarely taken by people. Then it appeals to his individuality and sense of independence. Of course, he is independent in taking his decisions, and he wisely takes the decision to have challenges in life. And children, I will suggest that the poet is actually trying to give us the message. He is trying to give the readers, you people of class 9, the message that you should take challenge in life, and taking challenge is always, children, it will make you extraordinary. But of course there will be many hurdles, but ultimately you will be successful. The main dilemma in the poem, the speaker is at the fork road. He has to choose which way to go. Fork road means, children, it's a road and then it is diverged into two. This will be called the fork road. Okay, so that he is discussing here. The fork in the road is a metaphor for a point in life when you need to make a choice. Now I told you about the metaphor. Metaphor is a symbolism where we use the symbols without using the words as or like. That is called, children, metaphor. Metaphor is a type of comparison in which one thing is described and as if it is not something else. Like The best example, one example I can give you, life is a box of chocolates. Okay, so these are the examples for it. So I hope that you have understood the poem well. Thank you, children.